Question 1. For one step-up transformer with 120V primary and 1600 ohms load has primary current, A, 0.075A, B, 1.2A, C, 3A. Justification: secondary current equals 480V/1600 ohms equals 0.3A. Question 2. 12V, 40Ah cells in series provide A, 24V 40Ah, B, 24V 80Ah, C, 12V 40Ah. Justification: series connection adds voltage but keeps capacity the same. Question 3. A 2M omega resistor is labeled A, M20F, B, 2M0F, C, 20MF. Justification: standard notation uses M4 megohm and 0.4 decimal placement. Question 4. If a resistor is too small for color bands, its value is indicated by A, dots, B, letter code, C, number code. Justification: small resistors use numerical codes for space efficiency. Question 5. Phosphorus, when added to silicon, acts as A, donor, B, acceptor, C, isotopic. Justification: phosphorus donates free electrons, making silicon type. Question 6. A centrifugal speed switch, A, cuts out resistor/inductor in an AC motor, B, cuts out capacitor, C, cuts in resistor/inductor. Justification: centrifugal switches disconnect start circuits once the motor reaches a certain speed. Question 7. Disconnecting one phase of a three-phase motor causes it to A, stop, B, run at 2/3 speed, C, same speed. Justification: the motor continues running, but efficiency and torque are reduced. Question 8. What affects generator voltage? A, depends on speed, B, independent of speed, C, not dependent on speed. Justification: generator voltage is proportional to speed and field strength. Question 9. A negatively charged conductor placed near an insulated rod causes the rod to A, remain neutral, B, gain negative charge, C, gain positive charge. Justification: due to electrostatic induction, free electrons in the rod are repelled, leaving a net positive charge. Question 10. Conductance formula, A, 1/R, B, 1R, C, R+1. Justification: conductance equals 1/R.